My name is Ismail Tok. I'm the General Manager of TechShop Abu Dhabi. TechShop basically it's an open prototyping lab or workshop. The facility includes prototyping from 3D printing to laser cutting to textile, and we also have a metal shop and a wood shop. Also, we have some equipment for electronics, for sign making, and many different manufacturing processes. The unique thing about TechShop is that it opens its doors to anyone who identifies himself or herself as a maker, as a designer. You know, this is the place for them. I mean, they have everything they need under one roof. But the best thing about it is the spirit that you will find here. To have like this number of people in the same place, it kind of creates this positive vibes that, you know, everyone falls in love with, and you just don't want to leave. The whole thing of like making makers is very, very satisfying to see here at TechShop.